Na-enjoy niyo po ba yun? Yay! Kasi actually, going here, kinakabahan po ako kasi syempre, ako lang po mag-isa. Sanay po ako mag-perform with my brothers, SB19, but now, going here alone and performing in front of you, sobrang nakaka-overwhelm siya and I'm very, very happy and blessed to be here tonight celebrating with every one of you. But, before tayo pumunta sa aking next performance, wala pa! Ito naman, nandito yung mga kamag-anak kong OA. Kaya siguro nandito kayo kasi O-kada. Kasi OA kayong lahat. But, as we can see, namimigay po tayo ng drinks for everyone. Siyempre, this is a celebration. And we need something na parang hawak natin para medyo social tayo tonight. Because it's Christmas and nandito ang aking family. And I'm sure, yung iba sa inyo, kasama nyo yung family nyo tonight. Tama ba? Kung hindi man family, kasama nyo yung friends. Sino kasama friends? Sino yung kasama yung mga kapatid lang, ka-work, gano'n? At syempre hindi rin mawawala yung mga kasama nila yung mga boyfriend, girlfriend sila, taas kamay. Wala yung boyfriend yun, nasa stage. Yes. Tama naman. But anyway, again, thank you so much, Okada Manila, for having me tonight. Na-meet ko yung mga executives natin, talagang napakabait nila. At talagang sobrang, I really appreciate everything, even the small details, lalo na ngayon na I'm promoting solo, but also doing a group projects, talagang nakakatuwa na nakikita at nararamdaman ko yung support ng mga tao. And of course, yung mga 18 na nandito, talagang ramdam ko yung support. Hi baby, may dala siyang LSB oh. Thank you so much. Iwag-iway nyo nga yung mga dala nyong LSB. Tas yung LSB. Ayan. Merong mga may dala. Maraming salamat. Meron din sa labas may dalang LSB. So, again, I would like to thank everyone sa mga tumulong po sa akin. And even kanina, I know na medyo busy tayo today, but nandito kayo lahat at pumunta para sa Okada. Can I have one request? Pwede bang sabay-sabay tayo sumigaw ng Merry Christmas, Okada Manila! Okay ba? Okay ba yun? Okay, pagbilang ko 3, Merry Christmas, Okada Manila in 3, 2, 1! Perfect! Kung ganyan ba naman kayo, lagi tayong nandito. Isa pa, ano naman, We love you, Okada Manila! Ganon. We love you, Okada Manila! Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan. So, syempre, hindi ko na alam paano ko pa isi-stretch to. Kasi nagbibigay pa. Okay. Isa pang request, guys. Okay lang ba? Kasi medyo, nag-iisip pa ako na pwedeng gawin. Pero ito, okay lang ba magpa-picture sa inyo? Picture. Crowd picture with you. Para remembrance rin na parang ngayong Pasko talaga nakapag-celebrate ako ng early. Okay lang ba? Picture tayo, okay? Okay, picture tayo. Okay, pagbilang ko ng 3, sabay-sabay tayo. Merry Christmas, Okada Manila! Okay ba? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Hindi daw rinig. Isa pa. Mas malakas. 3, 2, 1, go! Ayun, ganun talaga dapat. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Nagre-request sila sa bawat sides daw. Dito naman, okay lang po ba? Okay lang po ba sa kabilang side? Okay. Same. Merry Christmas, Okada Manila, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, parang mas palaban tong side na to last, doon tayo sa kabilang side. Okay, dito naman. Okay, same. 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect! Galing talaga. Dahil nagawa ko na lahat ng gusto ko, let's proceed to my last song for tonight. Siyempre, dahil magpapasko, hindi naman pwedeng hindi natin ipaperform tong song na to. And I know na super familiar kayo sa song na to. Dahil lahat tayo, tuwing Pasko, meron tayong wish, tama ba? Tuwing Pasko, meron tayong gusto talaga na inaasam natin sa puso natin, tama ba? But for me, all I want for Christmas is you. Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you so much again. My name is Tel, and have a great night. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas!
Thank you again, Estelle! Grabe naman yung performance na yun. Nakikita ko yung mga mommy sa harap sumasayaw. And si Tita sa likod. And of course, all of the fans. How about we give a big round of applause for one of the kings of P-pop, Stell! Grabe. And yung support energy. How about isang malakas na hiyawan again for Stell! Grabe naman, nakakatawa. Feeling ko ang laking Christmas present sa ating lahat yun. Kahit sa akin nandun ako sa gilid, tuwang-tuwa rin ako. Siyempre kung host, di ba? But sana nag-enjoy tayong lahat. And now, to give the opening remarks for tonight's grand Christmas tree lighting ceremony, may I please call on the Vice President of Hotel Operations, Mr. Rob Scott.
Hey, good evening, everybody. How are we? Wow, how was that performance by Stella? It was amazing. Let's give him a big round of applause, yeah? Well, obviously a fantastic crowd here tonight. So a huge welcome to everybody for coming along and celebrating this night with us. It's now our eighth Christmas tree lighting here in Carter, Manila, and of course, having a look at this tree, it's really. You're going to see surely it's really the best one we've done so far. So thank you all for coming along. It's really a pleasure to see so many faces out there here enjoying and celebrating Christmas with us. So in just a moment we're going to light up this tree, marking the beginning of our Enchanting Crystal Winter celebration. So if you have a look around the property, there's so many different activities, so many different decorations, lights and colours that you're going to be able to see. So I really want everybody after tonight, or after we light up the tree, to go around the property, have a look what we've got, enjoy, and really just celebrate this time with your family and your friends, because it's a really special time. So as I mentioned, just across to my left here, we have our Carter Manila Christmas Village. It's operating for the entire holiday season. Walk around there, you'll see we've got some retail shops, we have food and beverage offers. And we also have a really special shop for the first time this year called the Okada Manila Green Heart Shop. I think that squealing's not for me. Hey guys. So go in there, check out the Okada Manila Green Heart Shop. It's a new initiative for us. It's for us to support and encourage some of our great local businesses to try to help them thrive and to try to get some people to see the amazing things that they do. So if you get the chance to go around, check it out and support it. It's really a wonderful spot. So apart from that, what else can I say? We've got so many things around the property, as mentioned, over the holiday season. We've got 1001 Forbes 5-star rated hotel rooms. So treat yourselves, bring your family, come and have a staycation, and check the website for all the details. We've got some really fantastic specials. We've got food and beverage outlets everywhere. We've got Korean, we've got Chinese, we've got Filipino, we've got Italian, we've got the famous Medley Buffet, the best buffet in the country. So again, there's so many things to come and enjoy here in Okada. So thank you to everybody for coming out tonight. It's really very, very special to stand up here and look around and see so many people. So thank you. Enjoy the night, enjoy the holiday season, and really happy holidays to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rob Scott, for your inspiring message. Now, without further ado, it's time to light up the Christmas tree to join Mr. Rob Scott on stage for the tree lighting ceremony. May I call on stage our dear Okana Manila executives and esteemed partners, starting with the Vice President for Food and Beverage, Mr. Andreas Valia,